Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Physics Corridor. UPSC Physics Corridor is starting an initiatives for UPSC Physics Optional. Basically, UPSC Physics Optional include two paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, so we will cover each and every topic which is written in the syllabus. So it will help you a lot. Okay, so and basically the duration of this course is 2.5 months, and it will cover in as shift 1 and shift 2. Okay, and the shift 1 will start before prelims. Okay, that's very important. Before prelims, the date is 7th Feb to 7th March. This is 1 month actually. Okay, and the second shift will start from after prelims, that is prelims is on 27th June. So it will start 1 July to 1 August. Okay, this is manageable time to cover this syllabus. Okay, so basically it will help those people, those are working professionals and not afford any coaching. Okay, so that's initiatives will help those person. Okay, so we will cover in this course topic wise syllabus. Like, we if we start mechanics of particle, so mechanics of particle will include subtopics like laws of motion, conservation of energy and momentum, applications of rotating frame, and etc. Okay, so we will cover each and every topic in detail. Okay, so that you will not require any extra source. So, and after solving after completing the topics, we will solve some previous year questions paper, so that your preparation will in streamline. Okay, and I will give some unsolved problem for your answer writing improving. Okay, basically I will upload 2 to 3 video on the daily basis, so it will cover in the proper time frame. So now we will discuss syllabus. Okay, uh, syllabus, first of all we will discuss paper 1 syllabus. It will include mechanics. Okay, that is session 1. We will cover, we will start from mechanics of particle. Okay, so mechanics of particle will include topics: laws of motion, conservation of energy and momentum, application of rotating frame, and centripetal and Coriolis acceleration, motion under central force, conservations of angular momentum. Okay, and Kepler's law, field and potential, gravitational fields. Okay, and potential due to spherical bodies, Gauss-Poisson's equation, and gravitational self energy, and two body problem, reduced mass, Rutherford scattering, and center of mass, and as laboratory reference frame. Okay, so in mechanics of particle these are the topics. Okay, so now topic B is include mechanics of rigid body. So in this we will deal the uh, mechanics of rigid body. Okay, and the mechanics of rigid body will include system of particle. Okay, center of mass, angular momentum, equations of motion, conservation theorem of energy, momentum and angular momentum, elastic and inelastic collision. Basically we are discussing syllabus before. Basically before starting any preparation, first of all you have to read definitely syllabus, otherwise you will deviate from the study and your preparation. Okay, and after that you will solve some previous year question paper, then that's very good. So now come to the point. The next topic is inelastic collision and rigid body, degree of freedom, Euler's theorem, angular velocity, angular momentum. Okay, and moments of inertia, theorem of parallel and perpendicular axis, equations of motions of for rotation, molecular rotation, as that is as a rigid body, di and tri atomic molecules. Okay, and precisional motion, top top gyroscope. Okay, and the next topic is mechanics of continuous media. In this we will discuss elasticity, Hooke's law, elastic constant for isotropic solid. Okay, and their inter rotation, streamline flow, viscosity, Poiseuille's equation, Bernoulli equation, Stokes law, and its application. Okay, and the next topic is that is special theory of relativity. That's very important. Okay, and in this Michelson Morley experiment we will discuss and its application, and Lorentz transformations, length contraction, time dilation, additions of relativistic velocity, abbreviation and Doppler's effect, mass energy relation, simple application to decay process, four dimensional momentum vector. Okay, covariance of Maxwell equation. Okay, the next unit. Okay, this is not topic, this is the next unit, and next unit name is waves and optics. Okay, we will start from here. So waves and optics will include first waves. Okay, in waves we will discuss simple harmonic motion, damped oscillation, forced oscillation, resonance, beat, stationary wave in string. Okay, pulses and wave packets, and phase and group velocity, reflection and refraction from Huygens principle. Okay, reflection and refraction from Huygens principle. And B topic is in in waves and optics, uh, geometrical optics. Okay, and in geometrical optics we will deal with laws of reflection and refraction from Fermat principle, that is laws of reflection or refraction from Fermat principle. And the second topic is matrix method in paraxial optics, thin lens formula. Okay, nodal planes, system of two lenses. Okay, chromatic and spherical abbreviation we will discuss as we are studying. Okay. Okay, so the next topic is interference, and in interference we will discuss light, interference of light, Young double slit experiment, Newton's ring, interference by thin films, Michelson interferometer, multiple beam interference, Fabry-Perot interferometer. Okay, Fabry-Perot interferometer. And next topic is diffraction. So in diffraction we will discuss Fraunhofer diffraction, single slit and double slit diffraction, resolving power, diffraction by circular aperture, array pattern. Okay, Fresnel diffraction, half period zones. Okay, and zone plates and circular aperture. Okay, so the next topic is will include polarization and modern optics. Okay, polarization and modern optics. So in polarization first, we will discuss in polarization product and detection of linearly circular polarized light. Okay, double refraction and quarter wave plate, these are the topic which include in polarization. Okay, and uh, and modern optics will include basically part two part like that is fiber optics. Okay, and laser, this will include in modern optics. Okay, uh, wait, and in fiber optics, the topic will include optical fiber sorry optical activity, principle of fiber optics, attenuation, pulse dispersion in step index, and parabolic index fiber. Okay, material dispersion, single mode fiber. Okay, and the next topic is laser will include laser Einstein A and B, coefficients Ruby and HENE laser, characteristics of a laser light, spatial and temporal coherence. Okay, focusing of a laser beam. Okay, and three level schemes for laser operation. Okay, holography and simple and its simple application. So it will include, these topic will include in laser. And the next unit is electricity and magnetism. So it is very important unit, and in this we will cover electrostatic and first electrostatic and magnetism. In electrostatic, we will discuss Laplace and Poisson equation, and in electrostatic and their applications. Okay, that is application and Poisson's equations in electrostatic and their application. Energy of a system of charge. Okay, multiple expansions of scalar potential, method of image and its application, potential and field due to dipole force and torque on dipole in the external field. Okay, and dielectrics, polarization, solution to boundary value problem, conducting and dielectric sphere in electric field. Okay, and magnetic cell, uniformly magnetized sphere, ferromagnetic material and hysteresis, uh, and energy losses. Okay, and the next topic is current electricity. So in this we will cover Kirchhoff law and their application, Biot-Savart law, Ampere's law, Faraday law, Lange law, self and mutual inductance, mean and RMS values in AC and DC circuit. Okay, RL and C components, and with sorry, means mean and RMS value in AC circuit, DC and AC circuit with RLC component. Okay, we will discuss, that is, we will discuss DC and AC circuit with RL and C component. Okay, and series and parallel resonance, quality factor, principle of transformer. Okay, so the next topic is electromagnetic wave and black body radiation, that is EMT and black body radiation. So in this we will discuss displacement current and Maxwell equation, wave equations in vacuum, Poynting vector, uh, Poynting theorem and Poynting vector. Okay, scalar potential, electromagnetic field tensor, covariance of Maxwell equation. And next, wave equation in isotropic dielectrics, reflection and refraction at the boundary of two dielectrics. Okay, Fresnel refraction, फ्रेजनल रिलेशन, इसको हम जो वी विल कॉल फ्रेजनल फार्मूला. ओके, एंड टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, नॉर्मल एंड एनोमलस डिस्पर्जन, रैले स्कैटरिंग, black body radiation, Planck radiations law, Stephen Boltzmann law, and Wien's displacement law and Rayleigh-Jeans law. Okay, and the next unit is thermal and statistical physics. Okay, thermal and statistical physics. So we will discuss thermal and statistical physics separately. So first, thermodynamics. Okay, in thermodynamics we will discuss laws of thermodynamics, reversible and irreversible process, entropy, isothermal, adiabatic, isobaric, isochoric process, and entropy changes, Otto and diesel engine, Gibbs phase rule, uh, and chemical potential, van der Waal equation, state of real gas. Okay, state of real gas. Okay, critical constant, Maxwell Boltzmann distributions, of molecular velocity and transport phenomena, equipartitions and virial theorem, Dulong, Petit, Einstein and Debye theories for specific heat. Okay, of solid. Okay, Maxwell relations, and application, Clausius Clapeyron equations, adiabatic and demagnetization, Joule Kelvin effect and liquefactions of gas. Okay, and in the statistical physics we will discuss macro and micro state, statistical distribution, Maxwell Boltzmann, Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac distributions, application to specific heat of gases and black body radiation, concept of negative temperature. Okay, so this is all about paper 1 syllabus. So it's very lengthy, but we will cover in 2.5 months. Okay, definitely you should cooperate with us. So definitely we will cover in 2.5 months. Okay, so now the paper two syllabuses start from quantum mechanics, very important books and very important unit as at the same time. Okay, so quantum physics will include wave particle duality, Schrodinger's equation, and expectation value, uncertainty principle. Okay, solutions of one dimensional Schrodinger वेव इक्वेशन फॉर फ्री पार्टिकल, दैट इज इसको हम गॉसियन वेव पैकेट भी कहते हैं. ओके, सो पार्टिकल इन ए बॉक्स, एंड सेकंड प्रॉब्लम इज पार्टिकल इन ए बॉक्स, particle in a finite well, linear harmonic oscillator, very important. Okay, reflection and transmission by step potential, that is reflection and transmission coefficient we will calculate it by step potential. Okay, and by rectangular barrier, so we will calculate reflection and transmission coefficient by step potential and by rectangular barrier. And particle in and the next problem is particle in three dimensional well well well. Okay, and the density of states, free electron theory of metal, angular momentum, hydrogen atom, spin half particle, property of Pauli spins matrix. Okay, and the next unit will start from here, and it will include atomic and molecular physics, very important unit. uh, Atomic and molecular physics. Okay, it will include topics like Stern-Garlock experiment, electron spin, fine structure of hydrogen atom, LS coupling, JJ coupling, spectroscopic notations of atomic state. So this syllabus, the highlighted part is for atomic physics. Okay, from here to here, and the molecular part start from G-Man effect, Frank Condon principle, and its application, elementary theory of rotational, vibrational, and electronic spectra of diatomic molecule, Riemann effect and molecular structure. Okay, laser, Riemann spectroscopy, importance of neutral hydrogen atom, molecular hydrogen and molecular hydrogen ion in astronomy. Okay, and the next topic is fluoroscan and phosphoroscan. Okay, fluoroscan fluoroscan and phosphoroscan, elementary theory and application of NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance, EPR. Okay, and elementary ideas about lump shift and its significance. So this is all about atomic and molecular physics, and the next unit will is nuclear and particle physics, nuclear and particle physics. So it will start from here at nuclear and particle physics. This is the part for nuclear physics, and here is particle physics. Okay, so nuclear physics cover topic like basic property for of nuclear size. Okay, binding energy, angular momentum, parity, magnetic moment, semi empirical mass formula, and application and its application, mass parabola, ground states of deuteron, magnetic moment and non-central force, uh, meson theory of nuclear force, salient feature of nuclear force, feature of nuclear force, cells model of nucleus, success and its success and limitation, violation of parity in beta decay, gamma decay, internal conversion, elementary ideas about Mossbier spectroscopy, Q value of nuclear reactions, nuclear fission and fusion energy productions in stars and nuclear reactor. Okay, the syllabus for particle physics is classifications of elementary particle and their interactions. Okay, conservations laws, quark structures, hadrons, field quanta of electroweak and strong interaction. Okay, elementary is ideas about unifications of forces, physics of neutrinos. Okay, so in this unit, particularly for particle physics, basic question is asked. Okay, like which interaction and the reaction is valid and not or not. Okay, so this type of question is asked in particle physics. We will discuss when we'll deal particle physics. Okay, so the next and I think last unit is solid state physics and device and electronics. Okay, solid state physics and electronics and devices. So this part is for solid state physics and this part for uh, electronics. Okay, so in solid state physics, the topic include crystalline and amorphous structures of matter in different crystal systems, space groups, method of determinations of crystal structures, x-rays, X-rays, scanning and transmission, electron microscopy, band theory of solid, conductors, insulators, semiconductors, thermal properties of solid, specific heat, device theories, magnetism, para and ferromagnetism, element of superconductivity, Meissner effect, George-Fun effect, and its application, elementary idea about uh, high temperature superconductivity. Okay, so this is the syllabus for solid state physics. And for electronics and devices, intrinsic and semi conductors, PNP and NP and transistor, amplifiers and oscillators, OPAM, OPAMs. Okay, operational amplifier, that is we call it as in short OPAM, FET, JFET, MOSFET, digital electronics, Boolean algebra, we will call Boolean algebra as well. And in this written as Boolean identities, De Morgan laws, logic gate, truth table, simple logic circuit, and thermistors, solar cell, fundamentals of microprocessors and digital computers. So we will discuss each and every topic which I told you. Okay, so this is all about paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus. Why this syllabus is important for us? Because if we are preparing for any competitive examination, we don't know how to start and how what to read and what not to be read. So syllabus will guide you, and last year previous year question paper will help you to streamline your preparation. So this is all about. So share this video. uh, we will start from 7th of Feb 2020 to 2021, so it will help you a lot. Okay, share this video for okay, so thank you so much.